Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. If you make Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive, then you can able to install or reinstall Windows 11 on any computer. So let us go and see how to make Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. For that, first you have to connect your USB flash drive on your computer. Minimum 8 GB free space needed, and if any data there, just to take backup anywhere. And you can see I connected it on USB 14 GB space there. After that, just open your web browser and search for Windows 11 bootable USB. Hit enter, and here you can see the download Windows 11 link there. Just click on open. It will open Microsoft.com website, and just scroll down. There you can see create Windows 11 installation media. Below that you can see the download now. Just click on it. It will download the installation media. After that, now the download is completed. For installing, just click on open. Just wait for a while. Now you can see the Windows 11 setup window is opened. There you can see getting a few things ready. Just wait for a while. Now you can see the license agreement window is opened. Just click accept. Here you can choose the language and edition, and you can see the Windows is automatically selected the language and edition here. If you want to manually select, just uncheck this option and you can select the language and edition. I just select use recommended option. Click next. Here you can choose which media to use, and you can see there is two options. One is USB flash drive and another one is ISO file. So we are going to make Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. Then select USB flash drive and click next. And here it will ask select a USB flash drive, and it will show all the removable drives here. And you can see I connected one drive here, and that's showing here. Just select and click next. Now it's started downloading Windows 11 from internet. Now the download is completed. After that, verify the downloaded files. Just wait for a while to complete the verification. After verifying the downloaded files, now it started creating Windows 11 media drive. Now you can see it's almost completed. 99% is completed. Just wait for a while. Now the setup process is completed and you can see your USB flash drive is ready. Just click finish. And now the setup window is closed. After that, just open your USB flash drive. There you can see all the Windows 11 setup files created. Just go back. Just check the properties of the USB flash drive. There you can see user space 4.22 GB. Now the Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive is ready for use, and you can use it for install or reinstall Windows 11 to any computer. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if this video was helpful for you, please like the video. And if you have any queries or any questions, please comment below the video. I will look into it.